Welcome to another episode of Talking Timepieces, where we talk about watch collecting and horology. On today's quick close-up, we're going to take a quick close-up look at the Montblanc Nicolas Rieussec, as it says right here. Now, the watch series came out in the early teens, 2011, I believe it was, and it came out in a couple of variations. This is the GMT variation, and it is a true travel GMT. If you notice, the home time is represented by those by that heat blued hand, which hides when it's in home mode. And then, of course, this has a little, I shouldn't say of course, but it has a day-night indicator, so you know what the time of day is back on the farm. So it's a beautiful chronograph, and Nicolas Rieussec invented the stopwatch and the chronograph in that order, the very first stopwatch, and he did it for horse racing. And the nice thing about this piece is it really is well finished. It's their first in-house movement, and they really jumped into the space with a bang, but that makes a lot of sense. They really wanted to let the watch industry know that they were serious players, and came out with like a really serious, horologically significant movement. It's a column wheel, vertical clutch, mono pusher chronograph. Just a beautiful watch.